You've probably used Office 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for years. But now Microsoft 365 has additional features designed around a more efficient collaboration and communication. OneDrive, Outlook, SharePoint, and Teams all take electronic communication to a more modern stage. They allow team members to save files to the provided cloud storage that comes with a 365 subscription, schedule and track meetings and appointments quickly, share work across a collection of apps efficiently, and manage licensing for applications for Windows 10 workstations easily. Microsoft 365 provides a whole new platform for organizing your team members, their tasks, and their files. For business owners, this means you can get a lot more done, a lot more quickly, and keep everyone and everything organized. Many business owners assume that when they buy a product like Microsoft 365, their organization is properly protected. Unfortunately, this isn't the case. Microsoft 365 explains to its customers that despite a high availability design and keeping revisions of 365 files, the company is not liable for any business's data loss. CISA.gov warns that several essential security features must be specifically configured with many cloud solutions like Microsoft 365. This includes multi-factor authentication, ATP for email security, password syncing, and secure recoverable backup. All these security features can be confusing to figure out on your own, but you don't have to. Partnering with AllConnected as your managed IT service provider gets you a licensed Microsoft 365 plan, plus the additional necessary security features and support services to keep your business better prepared for disaster and to better protect your company, your organization, and your people.